We put out a framework. We work with local health officers all across the state to put out this new tiered status. We're guided by the data.
At a press conference Wednesday, Governor Gavin Newsom said he's staying true to the tiered statuses his administration devised for when counties ought to be moved into more or less regulations. Now, with an increase in cases, San Diego is facing a future where, based on those tiers, the county could see itself with more restrictions and businesses having to close. A significant point of contention has been the San Diego State University campus, where today officials confirmed over 700 cases. But officials like Supervisor Greg Cox say the county is asking for some slack.
The board also voted unanimously to request from the state that the criteria it uses to monitor cases not counted include numbers from San Diego State University and other colleges where students are more easily contained and monitored in a campus environment. We believe that will make a big difference and give us a fighting chance to avoid further restrictions.
But the month of September has already seen 42 outbreaks, which is about half of last month's tally. Officials say the outbreaks aren't necessarily tied to small businesses like restaurants, and the majority of cases at SDSU didn't happen on campus. Also, they say only one student was hospitalized. So Public Health Officer Wilma Wooten says they're not trying to get around the tiers.
We're not asking for preferential treatment, but we're asking for consideration of the situation. If we look at the outbreaks, and actually on one of the slides where I showed you the outbreaks by month, we are seeing a decrease in the number of outbreaks.
Though, of course, that depends on how the rest of September shapes up. And Newsom doesn't seem like he's willing to budge on the question of whether students can be excluded either.
You can't isolate as if it's on an island, a campus community that is part of the larger community. So the answer is no.
San Diego could move into the purple tier status as early as next week, which would call for many non-essential indoor businesses to close. Shalina Chatlani, KPBS News.